Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to change the size of your page in Microsoft Word, so if you are interested then keep on watching. So to change the size of your page on Microsoft Word, it's actually pretty easy. Let me show you how. So for the first step, I want you to go to the Layout tab. And after you go to the Layout tab, next, I want you to go look for the Size option. So here in the Size option is where you can change the size of your page, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be able to see the different page sizes that you can choose, so just click to select the page size that you like. But if the page size that you want was not in any of these choices, then just click More Paper Sizes. And then you can now just change the size of your page by yourself right here. Just enter the width and height of the page depending on what you want. And once you're done entering the size that you want, you can now click OK to completely change the size of your page. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the size of your page will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.